Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make violet color with watercolor. To begin, gather your primary red and blue watercolor paints, a palette for mixing, a brush, and some watercolor paper. We'll start by understanding the basic principles of color mixing, specifically how two primary colors combine to form a beautiful secondary hue. This foundational knowledge will empower you to create a wide spectrum of violets. The secret to a stunning violet lies in selecting the right primary red and blue. For a rich, deep violet, try mixing a cool red, such as alizarin crimson, with a warm blue, like ultramarine. Start with roughly equal parts of each color on your palette. Gradually blend them together with your brush until a new, distinct violet emerges. Remember, the quality of your pigments will greatly influence the vibrancy of your final color. To achieve a variety of violet hues, experiment with your red and blue ratios. For a warmer, more reddish violet, add a slightly larger proportion of red to your mix, perhaps a 3:2 ratio of red to blue. Conversely, for a cooler, bluer violet, increase the amount of blue. Just a small adjustment can dramatically shift the color. You can also add a tiny, almost imperceptible, amount of yellow to slightly desaturate the violet. For the best results, always mix your colors thoroughly on your palette until you achieve a consistent hue. Before applying it to your main artwork, test your mixed violet on a scrap piece of watercolor paper. This allows you to check the color and adjust as needed. Remember to keep your brush clean when transitioning between colors, and consider building up your violet with several thin, transparent washes for greater depth and luminosity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.